Yes, yo! Guys, another day, another vlog. Welcome again to my vlog. So, it's been a long time. So guys, punta tayo dito sa Angkop Walk. After a year. So, again, we will go for Angkop Walk. Balik.
Guys! Dito tayo sa harapan ng CFC! CFC Maginhawa! Pero mamaya ay steady. Just mention the name CFC. 500 views lang!
Ayan. Marami ring nag-participate. So, ayan. Lakad-lakad lang tayo dito. So, this is the 2025 Angkop Walk. Dito lang yan sa Bahrain.
Ice candy. Buy one, get one free for one baby.
Wow! Saan ka pa? Guys, ito ice candy tayo. Ayun guys, uwi na ako. Meron pa rin silang nag-awarding. So guys, nakapag-exercise tayo ngayon, pag-walking. So that is, I think, 3 kilometers. So yun. Again guys, thank you for watching. See you again my next vlog. Ciao.